Hello students, this is for class 6, subject information technology. Students, so far we have given the video of revision for chapter 1 and 2. Today I am going to give you the revision video of chapter 3, that is mail merge. In this revision video you will see a quick summary of the chapter, that is the points at a glance, and then the revision of the exercises. So let us start now the quick points at a glance.
Mail merge is a feature required to send letters with similar information to a number of people who reside at different locations. Mail merge feature combines two documents. One is main document and the other is data source, which is associated with the main document. Main document contains the text you wish to send to all the selected addresses. Data source consists of mailing list. For example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc., which is inserted into the main document.
So here the points are given at a glance. Like, what is a mail merge? Mail merge is a feature required to send letters with similar information to a number of people who reside at different locations. Second, mail merge feature combines two documents. One is the main document and the other is data source, which is associated with the main document. Third, main document contains the text you wish to send to all the selected addresses. Data source consists of mailing list, for example name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc., which is inserted into the main document. Further, we have the exercises now.
Fill in the blanks.
First, fill in the blanks. We can see the hints and then accordingly we have to fill. First, dash contains the text that we send to all the recipients. So it is main document. Now here we have to fill main document. And check the answer. That's right. Second, dash key helps us to move between fields while typing the data. So it is tab key. We write that tab and check the answer. That's right. Third, the data source can be created in MS Word. Here is given MS Word. So we can fill MS Word. MS Word. Check the answer. Correct. Fourth, a dash mark gives the indication that a record is selected. So it is tick mark. So here we can fill tick mark. Correct the check the answer. It's correct. Now we proceed for the next exercise.
State true or false.
It is true or false. First, data source contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipient. It is false. Check. That's right. Second, field is the column in a data source that contains one type of information. It is true. Third, merge field is the feature that is used to combine a recipient list with a main document. It is true. Fourth, preview result option on mailing tab displays the first record from the data source. It's also true. Fifth, the two main components required during a mail merge process are the main document and the merge field. It's false. Next exercise we have application-based questions. This we have to read carefully and then we have to give the answer. First, Radhika has purchased a brand new luxury car. She wants to celebrate her happiness with her friends and relatives. She wants to extend personal invitation to each one of them. without typing their names and addresses time and again. So which method could she use to fulfill the requirement? So students, here you can suggest her the feature of mail merge. So write mail merge. Check the answer, it's correct. Second question, Suchitra is an office assistant in a company. She handles all the correspondence work of the company. This month her company has made 5 new clients. Where will she add the contact details of these new clients while using the mail merge feature? So here you can write in data source. She can add the new contacts in data source. Check the answer, that's right. Now we proceed for the next exercise.
Multiple choice questions.
That is MCQ, multiple choice questions. So first, dash is a row on a data sheet which consists of a number of fields. So it is record. Second, dash is the data item which instructs MS Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. So it is merge field. Third, to create a new recipient list, select dash radio button under select recipient section. So it is type a new list. Let's proceed for the next exercise.
Answer in one word or one sentence.
It is answer in one word or one sentence. First question, in mail merge, where do we organize data in tabular form along with the field names? So it is data source. Check the answer. Correct. Second, which tab do you select to execute mail merge option? It is mailings tab. Check the answer. Here correct spelling should be there. Correct. Which button is used to further select the option for printing a document? It is finish and merge. Finish and merge. Check the answer. Correct. Fourth, where do you enter the records that are to be associated with the main document? So it is in new address list. New address list. Check the answer. That's right. So these are the exercises which you have learned today. After that we have the question answer.
Answer the following.
That you have already done in your copy,
Answer
I think.
in one word or
So that's
one
all for today.
sentence.
Thank you.